Porcelain tile, full-bodied porcelain tile. They sound similar, so what's the difference? And more importantly, which one is the right choice for your project? If you've ever felt overwhelmed by picking the perfect tile, you're not alone. Let's break it down so that you can make the right decision for your space. Hi, I'm Sophia Alonso-Wolf with AV Architects and Builders. Tile might seem like a small detail in your home, but the material you choose can impact your budget, your design, and how that space holds up over time. Today, we're talking about two tile types that often get confused: porcelain tile and full-bodied porcelain tile. They may look alike at first glance, but they have key differences in how they're made, how they perform, and where they're best used. Let's take a closer look. What is porcelain tile? Porcelain tile is a type of ceramic tile, but it's made from finer clay and fired at higher temperatures. That makes it denser, stronger, and less porous than traditional ceramic. It resists moisture, stains, and wear, which is why it's often used in bathrooms, kitchens, mudrooms, or anywhere durability matters. Porcelain tile usually has a glazed surface. That's where the color or the pattern lives. Underneath the body of the tile is typically a solid neutral color. It's a reliable, cost-effective option, and it works beautifully in both low and moderate traffic areas. What is full-bodied porcelain tile? Now, full-bodied porcelain takes the same durability and dials it up even more. Instead of applying color or pattern just on the surface, full-bodied porcelain tiles are made with one consistent material all the way through. That means if the tile chips or cracks, it's much less noticeable because the color and the pattern go all the way through the tile's thickness. They're incredibly strong, unglazed, and built for high-performance spaces. The key differences. Let's compare the two side by side. First, durability. Both are tough, but full-bodied porcelain is the heavyweight champion. It holds up better in high-traffic areas, and minor damage is barely visible. Second, maintenance. Since full-bodied tiles don't have a glaze, there's no risk of wearing down to a different base layer over time. That makes them easier to maintain in busy areas. Third, aesthetics. Standard porcelain tile comes in a wide range of colors, finishes, and patterns, thanks to the surface glaze. Full-bodied tiles also look great, but tend to focus more on durability than decorative detail. And fourth, price. Porcelain tile generally runs between $6 and $10 per square foot. Full-bodied porcelain can cost between $10 and $20 per square foot because of the extra durability and material consistency. When to use porcelain tile? If you're working in areas that don't see heavy wear, porcelain tile is a great fit. Think bathroom walls, kitchen backsplashes, fireplaces, or powder rooms. Any lower traffic areas where aesthetics matter more than extreme durability. It gives you lots of style choices and performs well in everyday conditions. When to use full-bodied porcelain tile? Full-bodied porcelain tile is perfect when performance is a priority. Use it for entryways and mudrooms, high-traffic hallways and foyers, kitchen floors, bathrooms with heavy use, or commercial or industrial spaces. Anywhere that needs long-term strength with minimal maintenance. This tile works hard and looks good doing it. Choosing the right tile for your home. So, how do you decide? It really depends on the space, the amount of use it gets, and how long you want the material to last without showing signs of wear. If you're designing a lower traffic area and want lots of visual flexibility, standard porcelain tile gives you more options and is easier on your budget. But if you want a tile that's going to stand the test of time, especially in high-use areas, full-bodied porcelain is the smart investment. At the end of the day, tile isn't just about color or texture, it's about choosing the right material for how you live. The more you know about your options, the easier it is to make decisions that lead to a home that functions beautifully and lasts for years to come. If you're in the process of designing or renovating your home and want expert insights on materials that fit your lifestyle, schedule a discovery call with our team at AV Architects and Builders. You can also visit our Learning Center for more videos, guides, and expert advice to help you navigate every step of the custom home journey. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe so that you don't miss anything from the residential architects. See you in the next one. Bye!